Yo, what's good, boys? It's your boy Brian back with another banger, you feel me? Right now, we're actually on the way to the homie Alexis crib. You guys don't remember, Alexis has the 540. He has an M5, bro. He has an M5. As you guys can see, fucking tail light malfunction. Got the clears on right now, but some water leaked into there. So now they're all fucked. So I'm about to switch back to the red OEMs, which, to be honest, might be cool. I haven't seen it like that in a while, so hopefully we'll get that sorted out, see how it looks with the wheels and everything, see how it flows. But yeah, like I said, we're on the way to the homie Alexis crib. We're gonna take his DME out because he's gonna ship it to, I think, Auto Tuner for his ECU unlock. But yeah, I'll update y'all when we get there. We like around the corner. When I say we gonna take this shit out, I'm not gonna do shit because I just came to vlog. Alright, boom, this is my little shit right here. Little update while they do that. See, this is what I'm talking about. So we gotta go back to the red tail light. These have been fucked for a while. I really lagged on getting them resealed. It's only that one though. This one's perfect. Sucks because I really fuck with the clears. We in rebuild mode with this one. Taking off the good JB4 right here.
JB4 on top.
Facts. JB4K stock boys through everything. Good E30 on JB4.
Good blown turbo.
Not me. Please got blown turbo.
Yeah, the old oil, that's all.
Nah, yeah, his shit was cooked.
At least I know I can't laugh on that shit.
Taking out the last shit. A little coolant leak. That's fine. My shit's cooked, bruh.
That's all you do.
Yeah, we got drivetrain malfunction.
That's how you.
Bitch came off.
I never thought I'd get tuned. Hold on.
Oh yeah. That's the prize right there.
DME is out. This is what you want to see.
Now it's really an M5.
Now we're all tuned.
Well, almost. Hold on. It's almost an M5 for red. We're just missing 2 cylinders.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
About to flash stage 2. Getting everything hooked up right now. Sir, we're about to flash the tune right now. Let's connect this. Hopefully I don't break my shit. If not, it's GG's, man. Let's get it.
Alright, boom. We're gonna eat with Baby, Alexis, Ray, and Luis, but he not doing shit. call it. You call it. You call it. Boom. You feel me? We finished the little midnight run. Not even a midnight run, but we pulled up to the spot. This is the secret spot. If y'all follow us on Instagram, y'all seen the pictures right here. But shit, someone got striked up right here, bro. Fuck. But they just left bruh shit right here on the floor. All fucked up right here. Left bruh shit on the fucking curb. Terrible. But yeah, we just finished the little friendly runs. We're all posted up right here and shit. It's my car, Alexis, Ray's homie, Fabian, and then Luis. Honestly, my shit was pulling, bruh. It's the first time I go on E in mad long. I'm not gonna lie, all the cars performed great. We all had our runs. We all took our little dubs and our little L's, but you feel me? The bucket been doing good. We just got the all seasons. Them shits was low-key moving.